Let me ask you a real question. Have you ever looked at your life and thought, I've done everything I was supposed to do. So why does this season feel unfamiliar? If you're a woman in midlife, or heading there or here where I am, that question is not, it's not a failure. It's a signal. It's a signal. So welcome to MoniRhythm, where we stop guessing, stop shrinking, and start understanding how we're wired. I am Monica, also known as MoniRhythm. And this channel exists for one reason: to help women understand themselves deeply, lead consciously, and move through midlife with clarity instead of confusion. Today is not motivation. This is education. Think workshop, not fluff. So let's talk about why midlife needs a map. Midlife is not a breakdown. It is a reorganization of identity. I know, girl, your hormones shift, your roles shift, your tolerance for nonsense disappears. And yet, most women are still trying to use old rules to navigate a new internal landscape. Whew, that is exhausting. What if I told you there is a science-backed framework that explains everything? Why certain seasons drain you, why some people energize you and others don't, why motivating tactics stop working, why discipline looks different. That framework is the Big Five personality model. And no, this is not pop psychology. This is used in leadership development, organizational behavior, neuroscience, and decades of behavioral research. What the Big Five really is. So if you got pen and paper, write this down because I really want you to understand this. This is the foundation of this channel. The Big Five measures 5 core personality traits that influence how you make decisions, handle stress, build relationships, follow through, and adapt to change. Those 5 traits shape your energy rhythm, communication style, motivation system, leadership presence. So here's the key truth most women were never taught, or might not have ever been taught. Your personality is not the problem. Your strategy has been mismatched to your wiring. At MoniRhythm, we don't try to fix women. We help women operate from alignment. Using Big Five. This is not theory. No, this is where MoniRhythm is different. We use Big Five daily, not academically. Here is what that looks like in real life. How you structure your mornings. How you handle conflict. How you build discipline without burnout. How you lead at home or at work. How you set boundaries without guilt. When women understand their personality profile, they stop comparing themselves. I stopped that a long time ago. They stop forcing habits that don't stick. They stop outsourcing authority over their own lives. That's power. And this matters, especially in midlife, because your nervous system is no longer interested Girl, it is no longer interested in pretending. Why this channel exists. MoniRhythm is not just content, it is a learning environment. This channel is built to educate women weekly. Host, expert, and lived experience interviews. Prepare women for conscious leadership. Create space for honest conversations. By the summer, that is my goal. If you are a woman 37 and up, this is your on-ramp. You know how you're riding down the highway and you got to get off or get on? This is your on-ramp. And yes, I got to go. And I just kind of broke that down to you. I want to reach 1,000 women this first quarter. Not for numbers, but I do it for impact because women understand themselves, family shifts, workplaces change, and communication stabilizes. Subscribe here with purpose. If this conversation feels different, here is why you should subscribe. You will learn how to use personality science daily. You will gain language for what you already feel. You will stop overthinking or overworking your weaknesses. You will build discipline that fits you. You will grow into leadership without losing softness. Subscribing. Okay, so it supports this educational work. Future interviews, expanded programming, sponsorship, supported learning for women. This is how movements are built. One informed woman at a time. And to future partners and sponsors watching, MoniRhythm is not about trends. It's about trust. This is a community of women who value education. We invest in wellness. We lead households, teams, and decisions. We are actively rebuilding our lives with intention. If your brand supports clarity, health, learning, or sustainable growth, this is your audience. This is it right here. I hope you will find the value in what it is that I have to offer and what the rest of those joining me will be offering as well. This year, we expand territory. We deepen understanding. We stop living on autopilot. I did that. It's exhausting. Your links are below. Your invitation is open. And your rhythm, it matters. Welcome to MoniRhythm. Peace.